Olivia Phillips from EmiratesWomen.com, and I'm here today at Level Shoe District in the Dubai Mall with the one and only Brian Atwood. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
And today we're going to be doing a little bit of Instagram stalking of Brian's account, but hopefully it's going to be a bit less creepy than it sounds because Brian's here to do it with me.
Stalker.
So, I'm totally
No, it's blush.
Okay, in that case,
Perfect.
I don't know, it's probably me. So the first one we're going to start with is you guys outside the Main in JBR.
Because I had just arrived in Dubai about maybe 40 minutes prior, and my friend Joey, who owns the place, said, let me take you to my restaurant and we'll go out for a fun dinner. And literally I saw this sign, Shuck Me, which is brilliant.
Of course.
And just had to take a picture in front of it.
You seem to post a lot of amazing women. Let's talk about Susie Sue, let's talk about Joan.
Oh my God.
And
Olivia.
Newton-John.
There are always muses and inspiring women. I think Susie Sue was growing up and kind of as a young kid listening to her music, I had punk hair. I mean, yes, I did. Yes, I did. Even with my friend Melissa McCarthy, we both had the kind of pseudo-punk look, but we were not like hardcore punks. And with Joan Collins, it's just something, I was a big Dynasty fan.
Did you watch that?
Oh my God, I loved it. 80s, big shoulders, makeup, glamour, the whole thing. And with Olivia, I love Grease. I know every word to the whole movie. I know the songs. I think it was my first album I bought when I was a child, like a young kid, was her album, and I had a huge crush on Olivia.
So yeah, you mentioned Melissa, so I wanted to speak to you
about. Oh, my girl!
She is, and she's your BFF.
Yes.
Yeah.
She was an au pair in Colorado.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, she was, and I said, you have to move. I knew she was going to be famous. She was going to be a huge star, and I said, you have to move. I'd moved to New York. You have to come live with me. She came to lived with me, and I started booking her for stand-up, my open mics, and really, I knew she had to be doing this. She was way too funny, and the world had to see her. Yeah. Snapchat.
Let's look at your little smiley face here.
People want you to be like crazy. They kind of, and it disappears. It's gone. So you can't record it. You don't have any haters. You don't have any you can see how many people viewed it, but you don't know how many people follow you.
This, which I loved, is a video
of you
sketching.
Yeah.
So is this how you always design? You always sketch everything, like first and...
Usually.
Yeah? Okay.
I mean, sometimes I throw it together if I'm there, but it's so much easier to sketch it. And I got my iPad Pro, so I love sketching on that too.
Let's talk about this photo.
Okay. Oh my God, yes. Hello.
Yeah, that's the right way of saying it, yeah.